Good afternoon. And you see what we have here? Even if your figs are in a greenhouse, you have to protect them. Good afternoon, this is Troy, and this is the fig greenhouse, and we're going to be showing you how we're going to put a stop to this. So, here's been my solution, and we're getting a good look to see how my holders are working. You can see how I attach this here. This is, I bought these things off of the internet, and they just snap together. And then I turned that double. I don't know how well that's gonna hold up in the wind, but there's only one way to find out, and that's try it out, right? So it seems to be holding all right, but that's how I've attached this screen that I'm putting over the outside of my openings on my greenhouse. I've used bird net in the past, and I can tell you that hummingbirds can still get in, and they love figs. So this will put a stop to the hummingbirds for sure, because it's just like an organza bag, as you can see. It's these pieces are a little bit long, so I got some extra hanging over here, but it's pretty fine mesh screen, and it seems to be pretty tough. So, and I just hook it down here at the bottom. A little bit of wind's blowing it, but it won't hurt it. Then there's the things I hooked them again, and then I just used some 550 parachute cord. Same thing I used on my doors. 550 parachute cord to tie them up. That just clips just like that, and if you want to change them, you can just push that in, and voila. I found these on Facebook and ordered them. They were a little pricey, but they seem to work real good. I got a couple other things I'm going to try them for too. But that's what I'm doing for my bird issue, getting in here and eating my figs. And here's the mesh. This is the thing that was inside. It was just what I found on Amazon. Nothing special, no fancy name or nothing. Seems to work. We'll see how well they hold up. If it comes apart, we'll make another video. I know that the bird net lasts about 2 years before it started coming apart. So if I can get 2 seasons out of this, I'd be fine. It wasn't too overly pricey. I think the 2 doors was about 30 bucks, and the pieces are 10 by 25 foot. So, and then I bought the sides were, I think they're 8 foot wide by 100 foot long, which I don't need near that much, but that's the only way you can get it. So I didn't want to try to cut it. So this is what I'm using on my openings to keep the birds out. Thanks for watching.